Hey guys, it's Rhonda. I hope you're all doing great. I hope you're staying inside, you're being safe. So, I decided to make some lentil soup. So, I wanted to give you guys just a quick snip of what I did. Who says you can't eat really well while you're in quarantine? I am checking up here on my vegetable lentil soup. I just added some coconut milk in there, so let's give that a good stir. It's been cooking for over 2 hours. Slow cook. That's where you get all the vegetables and the lentils to release all of their amazing flavors. Let's take a look at that. I have bok chow in here as well, or pop chow. Is it pop chow or bok chow? I have that in here. I have lentils in here. I have corn, carrots. Ooh. Lots of onions, garlic. Oh, this is so good. It looks so good. And let me tell y'all, I already taste it. It's dope. All right, so one more thing I want to add in here, because I like my soup to be very hearty. And like when I have my soup, I just want to be able to have that and feel really full. So I'm going to add some leftover brown rice. So once I have my soup, I am going to taste lots of goodness, and I'm gonna feel full because of all the additional vegetables that I have in here, as well as all of the brown rice, the carrots. Yes, I'm gonna let this simmer for another hour. Just simmer. Just totally simmer. Zim zimmer. Alright, let's see. Let me show you guys. Okay, so scoop of that. That's gonna fill you up. Okay. You gotta eat well while you're in quarantine. You also need to make sure you get out of the house and walk. I put a little bit of noodles in there. I don't know if you could see. Oh, right here. A little bit of noodles. Alright, and I also have okra in here as well. So these are just little leftovers that I had in the fridge that I decided to kind of put together and create the dopest lentil soup. And give you guys a good look. Yes. My lentil soup. Let's clean up the edges of my pot. Love to cook and have my pot in my kitchen clean while I'm cooking. So good. Oh, yes. Yes. All right. So this is what you do with leftovers. I had leftover brown rice. I had leftover bok chow. I had some extra carrots and some stuff just sitting around in the fridge. So I just kind of put everything together with the lentils and created a bomb soup. All right, y'all, let me let this cook for another hour, 45 minutes or so, because I just put the carrots in, so I need the carrots to get super soft. And I just put the rice in along with a little bit of coconut milk. So let me go ahead and let that simmer for an additional hour. Yes. That's how you do it, honey. Plant-based. Plant-based power. With all the crap that's happening out there, you need to make sure you have your body on point. Keep your immune system where it needs to be. Leave all that meat and that junk on the side. Try plant-based today. Better yet, try Jesus. Give him a chance. Accept him into your life today. Don't worry about what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow is not promised to anyone. Just serve God and live for him. He'll take care of the rest. Alright, so I'm going to come back once in like about 45 minutes, an hour, and let you guys see what it looks like. Alright, let's check her out. So, so I'm having this with some of my West Indian dal puri. One day I'll show you guys how to make that. But it's delicious.